Hello everyone. If you want to know how you can create a Facebook page, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a Facebook page for a business or any other venture you want to do easily. First off, you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to go on to facebook.com. You're going to come here and click on your account at the top right corner of the page. You're going to click on to see all profiles. Click create new profile or page. And here you're going to click on to public page and then click next on here. You're going to click on get started here. And here you're going to name your page. I'm going to name it TechVersity. You can name it anything you want. You're going to come here. You're going to select the category that you want your channel to be in. So I'm going to put it in technology. And here we have the category information technology. And then you're going to write a bio for your page. This is optional, but you can write a bio if you want. I'm going to just write it and say technology tutorials. Click create page on here. And once you click on create page, Facebook will start making your page. So here you're going to fill in these details. I'm going to put my website in. And here you're going to put in your phone number. You're going to put in your email then. And then you're going to select next on here. You can add your profile picture and your cover photo then. I'm going to click next on here. I'm going to skip this step right now. You can also connect your WhatsApp to your page. I'm going to select skip on here. Click next on here. And then you can click done. And there you have it. This is our new Facebook page that we just created. As you can see, that's how easy it was to create a Facebook page. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.